What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. And for today we'll talk about Android Auto. So what is Android Auto? So it's a feature that allows you to connect your smartphone to your car's infotainment system and access various apps and services on a larger screen. It is designed to make driving safer and more convenient by minimizing distractions and providing voice control and navigation assistance. In this blog post, I will share my experience with Android Auto and evaluate its pros and cons. To use Android Auto, you need a compatible smartphone running Android 6.0 or higher and a car that supports Android Auto or an aftermarket head unit that supports it. Sometimes you'll need to download the Android Auto app from Google Play Store and grant it necessary permission, but depending it on your Android OS. Once you connect your phone to your car via USB cable or wireless connection, you will see the Android Auto interface on your car's display. The interface of Android Auto is very simple and intuitive, with 5 icons sometimes at the bottom that let you access different categories of apps. So you can see their navigation app, phone app, media app, assistant, and car. You can also swipe left and right to see more apps or settings. The navigation icon launches Google Maps by default, but you can also use other apps like Waze or Psychic. The phone icon lets you make and receive calls, access your contacts, and check your voicemail. While the media icon lets you play music, podcasts, or audiobooks from various apps like Spotify, YouTube Music, or Audible. And sometimes there's also an assistant icon which activates Google Assistant, which can help you with various tasks like sending messages, checking the weather, or setting reminders. And depending also on your car, there will be also a car icon that shows information about your car status, such as fuel level, tire pressure, or battery charge. But that's depending on your car, of course. One of the best features of Android Auto is the voice control. You can say, "Hey Google," or press the Microsoft button on your steering wheel to activate Google Assistant and ask anything you want. You can also use the voice commands to control your apps, such as play some rock music or navigate to the nearest gas station. The voice recognition is fast and accurate, and the responses are clear and natural since this is with Google Assistant. Another great feature of Android Auto is integration with Google Service. With this, you can access your Google Calendar events, Google Photo albums, Google News stories, and more on your car screen. You can also sync your preference setting across your devices such as your home and work addresses, your favorite places, or your music playlist. However, Android Auto is not perfect. There are some drawbacks and limitations that you should be aware before using it. For example, not all apps are compatible with Android Auto. Some popular apps like Netflix, Facebook, or WhatsApp are not available on Android Auto due to safety reasons or developer choices. Second, not all cars support Android Auto. Some older models or brands may not have Android Auto compatibility or may require additional hardware or software. Third, not all countries supported Android Auto. Some regions have may limited availability or functionality of Android Auto due to legal or technical reason. And fourth, not all features work flawlessly. Some users have reported issues with connectivity, stability, audio quality, or compatibility of Android Auto with their phones or cars. In conclusion, Android Auto is a useful and convenient feature that can enhance your driving experience by providing access to various apps and services on a larger screen on your car. It has many advantages such as voice control, integration with Google services, and a simple interface. However, it also has some disadvantages such as limited app availability, car compatibility, and regional support. Therefore, you should check if your phone and car are compatible with Android Auto before using it, and be prepared for some potential glitches or errors. So that is my review of Android Auto in 2023. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.